Get your special discount offer on the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/video.
You have the ability to add your own customized fields into the customers and jobs, vendors, employees, and item lists within QuickBooks. Now this feature allows you to create fields that you would like to have appear for each record within a list. This lets you track information that is specific to your particular business. So for example, you could add fields for color, size, and style into your item list that would then allow you to create items with the same general description in your inventory and then differentiate between them by color, size, and style. So if you add custom fields into your sales forms or your purchase orders, note that QuickBooks will automatically fill in the values specified for the selected employee, customer, vendor, or item, assuming that you entered a value once you created the field. Now this doesn't necessarily imply that you have to use customized fields in your forms, however. You could simply add a custom field as a way to record information strictly for your own use. However you use it, QuickBooks will remember the information that you entered into the customized fields when you import and export the data, and also when you memorize transactions. You can add up to 7 customized fields to each of the following lists. Customers and jobs, vendors, and employees are the primary ones that you see in the centers within the home page. Now you can only create up to 5 customized fields within the item list. There's just not as much room shown here as well. So you can see in this sample company, we've got 2 of the available 5 slots currently in use. Note that if we say look at the customers and edit a customer, they've got up to 7 slots available, and right now 3 are in use, say for the customers. Now, you can only add customized fields through the New or Edit windows for the items that appear within those lists. You can actually create custom fields that can appear in the Customers and Jobs, Vendors, and Employees lists by opening up any one of those 3 lists, and then either opening the New or Edit windows within the selected list. So let's say, for example, we wanted to add some customer custom fields. We could open the Customer Center, go to the Customers and Jobs tab, and let's just choose the New Customer and Job button and choose the New Customer window, which would give us access to our custom fields. So once again, we would click the Additional Info tab, and then here you can see the custom fields that we have for our customers. At this point, you would just click the Define Fields button that appears in the lower right corner of the Custom Fields section. That opens up the Define Fields dialog box, and here you can actually create custom fields for all 3 lists: Customers and Jobs, Vendors, and Employees. So you can add a new custom field to a list by clicking into the first blank field in the Label column at the left side of the window and typing the label that you would like to apply to the new field. To the right of that particular label, you then check the lists in which you would like this field to appear. So if you wanted it to appear in the Customer Job list, check that. If you wanted to use it in the Vendor list, check that. If you wanted to use it in the Employee list, you could check that. You just simply can't have more than 7 checked boxes per column. So here in the Employees, you can see we would have 4 fields enabled. Vendors would have 2 of the potential 7 enabled, and the Customers and Jobs, once again, 4 of the 7 potential fields available. Or you could check it as many as needed. Once again, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the 7 potential available fields used. Now once you've input the name of the field and where you would like that field to appear, you can simply click the OK button in the Define Fields dialog box. And then you should see it appear in your selected lists. Then you can enter in the field value as needed, or whatever it is. Now, adding custom fields to the item list is a little bit different from adding custom fields to the other 3 lists. In order to add a custom field within the item list, you first need to open the item list, and you can access the item list in QuickBooks by selecting Lists from the menu bar and then choosing the Item List command. The item list is a listing of all the different items that you have available for sale within your company file. Now, once again, you're going to need to bring up the New or Edit windows within this list. So, like the older QuickBooks list, you can click the button in the lower left corner to get a pop-up menu of choices. And in this case, I'll just choose the New command in order to open the New Item window. In order to access the custom fields, just click the Custom Fields button at the right side of the New Item or Edit Item windows. Here you'll see the up to 5 fields that are available for the item list. To create a new one for your items, click the Define Fields button that appears in the lower right corner of the Custom Fields window. Just check the next available field in order to use it, so check the Use checkbox, and then type in the label. And then click OK. It does have to be a unique name, by the way, which is what it was telling me there. There we go. And then once again, enter in whatever values are needed.
Like what you see? Get your special discount offer on the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/video. Over 2 dozen titles are available in Microsoft Office, QuickBooks, Photoshop, and much more.